Good morning. Welcome to Mantra 108, where we are moving our way through a 21-day practice of the Ganesha Mula Mantra. Sorry, I'm wiggling around here, trying to get a piece of paper out. I pause here and give everyone a few moments to begin to join, to begin to find me and join. Some of the interesting qualities of Facebook. So Facebook Live, I should say. So we are on day number 4 of our 21-day practice of the Ganesha Mula Mantra. This is the root mantra for Lord Ganesha. Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, the one of great power and wisdom, who embraces us and helps us move across our thresholds, helps us to move through changes in our lives. I'll talk a lot more about the qualities of Ganesha in our upcoming days of practice. But let's sip a little tea here. And wait for others to join us. Most of us know Ganesha primarily as this energy that removes obstacles. And interestingly, the remover of obstacles can also be the great placer of obstacles. If we are moving along the wrong path, sometimes we need an obstacle laid before us strategically so that we take a different path, make a different turn in what we're doing, to guide us more back to our Purusha, our inner guidance. So even though Ganesha is known as the remover of obstacles, this energy can also sometimes be the layer of obstacles, the placer of obstacles. Good morning. People are starting to join now. So as we've said before, this particular mantra that we're chanting, this root mantra of Ganesha, has 6 bij mantras, 6 seed mantras in the very first line of the mantra. And those mantras, those bij mantras in the first line, contain and ignite the vibratory energy of abundance, of great heart opening, of this idea of the power of magnetic attraction, the primordial sound of the whole universe, the primordial energy of the whole universe, this sense of grounding, and this sense of acknowledging unity over duality. So lots of really powerful things in just that first line. And as I've said, we'll really talk about the very juicy translation of the entire mantra in our upcoming days this week. But I wanted to talk about Sankalpa this morning, setting a Sankalpa. A Sankalpa is a sacred intention, but it's not at all like setting a goal or making a New Year's resolution. That's not it. That's done with our own heart and our own emotions. And a sacred, a Sankalpa is a sacred intention that is formed by the heart and mind, but it is a very sacred vow. And it's really a call to awakening. I'm going to read just a tiny little couple of paragraphs that I took from one of my most esteemed Sanskrit teachers. Her name is Shivani Hawkins. Shivani says, Samkalpa is not the same as a goal. There is no energy of control or struggle or beating yourself up with I shoulds. It is created in a deep place that is beyond any fear or any ego. There's an energy of stillness and yet a very deep resolve with Samkalpa. There's great power contained within it. You will feel your whole being align and merge into the energy of a strong Samkalpa. You may also experience your Samkalpa as originating with the divine and moving through you, moving through your life as a blessing. So one of the things that Shivani teaches me is that even if we create a very powerful Samkalpa, the divine may have a more powerful Samkalpa created for us. And so the default is always with the divine, not with our own creating of Samkalpa. But many times it's in alignment with the divine. So the word Samkalpa can be translated to heartfelt desire, loosely. And it becomes an overarching theme for your life. It becomes a personal vow. The task of identifying your Samkalpa requires getting into alignment with your Purusha, something that we've talked about, that inner light of awareness. So we have to get in touch with that in order to really create this sacred vow that would be in alignment with that. When you slow down, when you get still, and when you sincerely listen to this inner light of awareness, you'll feel your Samkalpa start to bubble up and present itself to you. It will become a clear knowingness that can't be defined and can't be denied. And it will then be the driving force behind all that you do. So when you're wanting to create your Samkalpa, it's important to center yourself and to begin to feel what it is that your highest self, that Purusha, what that inner light of awareness, feel what that is, what the wishes are of the Purusha to create or see realized. When we tune in and pay gentle attention to what is arising, that's when we can really get in touch with the powerful Samkalpa that is there for us. Now, you can create Samkalpas for a lot of things. Maybe you're going to be at an event and you want to have a sacred intention for that event. Or maybe it's a practice that you're beginning, like this practice. Maybe you would like to create a Samkalpa for this 21-day practice. It can be for a period of time in your life. It can be for navigating a relationship in your life. It can also be, a Samkalpa can be an overriding sacred intention for the whole of your life. And you can probably have some multi-layered intentions. I have an intention for the whole of my life, and yet I can create an intention, a Samkalpa, for this particular practice, or for a retreat that I'm leading, or for a workshop that I'm teaching. So you see that a Samkalpa can just be a very strong practice. Once we tune into the Purusha, tune into this inner light of divinity, this inner light of awareness, and open the heart, open the mind, open those centers of listening deeply. And then we discover what the Sankalpa is that's bubbling up for us. It may be coming from Purusha. It may be coming from our most high self. It may also be channeled in from the divine, which basically is this too. So it's important that we listen carefully in order to develop our Sankalpa. So I wanted to give you that little understanding of what Sankalpa is. You'll also see it written Sankalpa. Some people say S-A-N, Sankalpa. In Sanskrit, it's Sankalpa, written with an N and a little dot under that N, Sankalpa. So I wanted to give you that little intro to Sankalpa, and so that you can begin to think about whether or not you'd like to create a Sankalpa for this 21-day practice, what's remaining of this 21-day practice. And because this practice is a specific practice around the energy of Ganesha, which is the energy of removing obstacles. Perhaps that gives you a little intro into thinking about what obstacles may be in your life that are keeping you from reaching your highest potential, keeping you from tuning in to your deepest Sankalpa. So just some things to think about this morning. And we'll get started. And then tomorrow I think I'll give you another question to ponder. And we may get into the definition of the whole mantra tomorrow. Go ahead and take a sip of anything nice and warm you might be having sitting next to you, or if you're coming from a part of the world that it's afternoon or evening time for you, you may want to sip something that's a little cooler. Just to get some liquid moving in the throat. And then close down your eyes. Make any adjustments that you need to sit tall. Feel yourself grounding down into the earth. Ground down. Feeling the support of the earth all the way down to the very core, the very center of the earth. And then press up slightly through your crown to reach up to the sky, reach up to the heavens. So we have that connection of heaven and earth. Drop your shoulders down away from your ears. Let them just relax down. Soften the skin. Soften your muscles. soften your heart and your mind. Tune in to the Purusha, the divine light of awareness that lives within our heart. And we'll take a full inhale together to begin. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Gataya Sarvajandameva Shamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajandame Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Shamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam Gam Ganapataya Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Shrim Hrim Grim Glam गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनया स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनया स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन्मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं ग्रीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं क्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं क्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजनमे Vashamanaya Swaha. Aum Shrim Rim Krim Klam Gam Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajaname Vashamanaya Swaha. Sit in the vibration of your sound. That brings us to the end of our practice this morning. I haven't mentioned this in this particular 21-day series, but certainly I've talked about this before. It's a nice practice to keep a journal, just seated by you when you're meditating, and then when you're finished with your practice, to pick that journal up and do some journaling. You may be surprised at the divine messages that come through you, to you, and you can write in your journal. Just anything that comes to mind. This could be helpful in establishing connection with your Sankappa, your sacred divine intention. Alrighty, thank you for being with me. This ends our practice for today. I'll see you tomorrow morning, and I think tomorrow morning I will I'll explain the translation of the whole mantra, the meaning of the whole mantra. It's really special. Alrighty, see you in the morning. Thanks for being with me. Have a wonderful day, everybody.